Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxing Zinfan here today, and it's been quite a long time since I've made a video, but I am back today with a very special video and unboxing. I'll be unboxing today the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11, which is the latest edition of the Fujifilm Instax Mini line. I just received this today in the post. The whole reason behind it is printing photos and sort of being really cautious, like what is going to come out. You know, am I going to get a good photo? Am I going to get a bad photo? And one time when you print something out, you might even get an unexpected photo. You might get something more than you've bargained for. So that's why I love these cameras. And I bought the film as well, so I'll be also doing a few test shots comparing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8, 9 and 11. I think the 10 was skipped mainly because it was an older version, so they didn't want to make confusion in the line. But anyway, I'm going to be unboxing all of the three colours. I think it also comes in a charcoal black version, but I don't have that colour actually available to purchase, so I will just be unboxing these three colours. If you do want to see the charcoal black unboxing, please leave a comment down below and I'll surely get my hands on it and make it, if sufficient amount of people say. But let's just unbox the first one, which is the Instax Mini Blush Pink, and you can see you have a very cool sort of photo on the front. On the side you have the photo and it says actual size. Oh, cool. And then on this side here it just says a few things, do not something, so just not really important information. And at the back is where you get some more information, and you can see now it comes with an integrated one-touch selfie mode. It comes with brighter images with automatic exposure. A lot of people are not a fan of that, but unfortunately that's how it works. And it has a custom shutter accessory, so essentially you can have little accessories. You can, I think, glowing in the dark accessories and stuff like that. I don't know why someone would have that, but you can also have that for use with Instax Mini. Okay, so that's basically it in the box, and all of them have the same sort of thing. So again, the white one has the same sort of thing. It's only the pictures at the front that is different. So I'll be unboxing all of three at once, and you can sort of see what we get inside all of them. So let's just open. So I'm just going to start with the pink one first. So I'm just going to rush. I'm just going to start with the pink one first. So let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, so the first thing we get is this guy, which is a little why isn't it in English first? It says precaution, blah blah. I don't know what it says, but yeah, not really important. At the back we get some boring sort of diagrams of how to use the camera. So you know, it tells you how to use it straight out of the box, which is pretty cool. And we have the blush pink version, so we can see that looks pretty cool. I'm just going to put it to the side and I'm going to compare them in a minute. But inside the box we have further things. I think a shutter accessory guide. That's it. There's not even like included film, which is a bit annoying, but whatever. We have like a little accessory, which is pretty cool. A little strap. You can strap it on your shoulders when you're walking around. And then you have AA batteries, which is always handy to have. Okay, so I'll come back to the pink one in a minute. I'm just going to unbox the white one. So exact same thing. We've got the little gems. You see that little accessory, shoulder strap, batteries. And these gems are not glass. They're like not in plastic. They're like rubber. So not a great deal, and I think you can stick them. That's why they have like a little adhesive at the back. And then we have blue, same thing, blue color, exact same thing, and then the white one here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through them one by one now. So let's start with the white one. Now I have it in my hand. You can see it has the flash here. We have the accessory here, we have the little viewfinder thing here, we have the mirror for selfies here, and we literally have a button here, push it to take a picture. Yeah, literally that. It says focus range 0.4, doable 0.4 meters to infinity, Instax lens, and it has a little place for your little strap, shoulder strap. The film comes out of here, and then this is where you put your film in, so your mini film, the film that I purchased, this one here. The Instax mini film, this one you put in here. And then this Instax sort of embossed, I really like this, like they should have this on all the cameras from the start. I don't know why they didn't, but it really shows you the pride, you know, how amazing these cameras are. And essentially the battery, you put it somewhere here. There we go. So that was the same for the Mark 9 and the 8 as well, and for all of them, I'm assuming. But yeah, so AA batteries, really cool. The blue one, same sort of thing, pops out. Yeah, and then the pink one, blush pink, you want to say, not pink. You can see that's cool. So that's it, guys. You have the pink, we have the white, and we have the blue Instax mini cameras. Which one is your favorite, guys? I want to know down below in the comments. Please leave your comments down below.